I'll see you later.
We got Keanu here in an O2 RS. You probably get this all the time, but related to Reeves or no? Ah, okay. That was a 114, 114 from Keanu. This is fantastic. This might be a first. I don't think we've ever had a trip up in the range last time. So that's just for that anyway. Might be crowd favors just by the cheers. We haven't even repped yet. Really? You're gonna make me walk back?
I'm excited.
No, you gotta keep it all the way under.
Dude, what did you do to your car? I don't know what kind of jank you just MacGyvered under there, but is it gonna be awesome? It'll be okay.
He said it'll be okay.
Slava. You got Slava.
That's his name, Slava.
Well, let's see what it does, man. On that one from Slava, but give a hand for the first Quebecer we ever had in the competition. And also, it kind of sounds like a Porsche though, so it's not bad.
Dang.
Why does he sound louder down there? All right, we've got, I think, our third mic in a 13 BRZ. That's a 106 from Mike the third. 106.
Eso le podía meter. Dave, vete a buscarlo. Go get it. Go get yours, Alex.
Save.
I know.
Another one. Yes.
Uh-oh.
Yeah, under construction, right.
118.
We're gonna FRS here, but he's still part of the family, so we're gonna let him see what he can do.
Oh, I'm scared. I know.
Alright, so we got Steven here in the FRS. He's our brother from another mother. Let's see.
Mira eso, no.
Let's see what he's got.
El problema es que si se zafa el carro cuando venga esa gasolina. Ah, eso sí, con niños, mira eso. Allá tienen unos nenes sentados en la brea. That's why he got pissed.
Alright, man, punch it. Stop. Let's see what's going on. Remember he said yesterday?
Oh, este es el de ahorita. Ain't this the one from earlier? Se pasó de la lollipop.
This one's gonna be loud. This one's gonna be good.
All right, we got Justin here.
I said 130.
130. Damn, you going for 130?
He already sound loud enough.
All right, 128.
130.
All right, there's a 116 from Justin. 116.
116,
That's
wow.
a rad color though. The lollipop marker.
Because they have a blast with your lollipop jazz.
All right, we got Max here. Max is running the 04 WRX. Let's see.
$100.
112.
That was a 100 from Max.
Call it that.
100.
100.
Sounds good. Yeah, good. Hey, vamos a que jugar al otro, porque estamos como que. Well, we're getting so close to the numbers. Yo, wait.
It's a cute one.
Got some Japanese buffalo over there.
Call it. 122. 122?
Oye, eso.
116. Look at those
We
insane.
got Misha here. And a 16 at present. And is it actually boosted? No? You just got the stickers. That's okay. They add 5 horsepower. That was a 102 from Misha. Oh, sorry. Correction. 112. 112 from Misha. What is that? Everyone's louder once they leave.
This nigga holding me. You say want to go yell at somebody?
Because look at that shit. They even got kids on the road.
We got Kevin here in an 02 WRX. Getting ready to show us what's up. I was joking, but he was actually getting ready to show us what's up.
107.
All right, this is the part of the show where we have to do this announcement, where those pops, although they're really awesome, they don't actually register on the decibel meter because they don't last long enough. So, let's all just give them a big round of applause because that was awesome. Still a winner. I got hearts.
Because the meter's not picking the pops.
Go nuts.
Yeah, he said the meter wasn't picking up for his pops. He got a 107. He got to back up.
We got Jonathan here in a 13 WRX. Alright, that was a 108 from Jonathan. Clean car though, clean car.
¿Cuánto que quieran?
Porque esto está largo.
I don't know. It's until 3 o'clock, so.
Oh, it's 2:30.
And then there's a semi-final and a final.
Oh, wow.
I'm not sure about the semi, to be honest, but I know there's a final. Like 3, the top 3.
Someone's car just exploded back there? Ring lands down, ring lands down. God, I think that backfiring car blinded you a little bit. All right, we got Tyler here in the 13 WRX. All right, that was a 111 from Tyler. That's it for Tyler. We got Danny here in the 07 WRX. TI. One more time! Danny.
127. Yo, that's crazy.
Everyone who was standing behind that
Yo,
car
Junior, look at
we're on fire. What? Just 12 light on it.